Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the Euro again, I mean, last night I said as long as it doesn't break structure on the 1 hour, as long as it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, I continue to look for shorts. Now, I've been saying for a while now that this potentially could turn into a wave three on the higher time phase, but it really is not acting like a wave three. A wave one, two, three needs to be a big, strong wave, and this is definitely not acting like a big, strong wave. So it kind of almost looks like maybe a double three pattern: one, two, three down, one, two, three up. If that's true, then we might actually be making five waves down to this low before we actually stop back up, and maybe that would be a wave one, wave two, and then wave three. So I think that the price action is definitely invalidated that we're in a wave three now. I think if anything, we're probably going down for five waves of C, or possibly even continuing the downtrend. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we are in five waves of C, then we most likely have a lot of downside potential. I wouldn't try to go short now, but if it does make a pullback, which it doesn't have to do it now, but if and when it does make a pullback, that is where you should be looking to go short for the potentially the continuation of either a wave C or possibly just a continuation of the downtrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.